Hello and welcome to InGoa News. An organized racket in the furnace oil pilferage from tankers transporting the precious fuel from the Hindustan Petroleum warehouse in Marmagaon to various locations in and outside Goa was busted by the crime branch officials at Zuari Nagar on Thursday. A total of 15 persons have been arrested in the connection with the case, and Deputy Inspector General O.P. Mishra said John Tellis alias Antu was the kingpin. According to Mishra, the racket was being run from a secluded spot in Zuari Nagar for several years and was busted after the crime branch was tipped off.
So it was a very organized racket. So today the crime branch team led by SP Crime and DSP Samir Tavares and other officers of the crime branch, they were able to intercept 6 tankers, and their teams had positioned themselves at different places. One team was exactly at the place where the oil was being taken out from the tanker and filled in another container, and after filling it up, the same tanker will go to a particular place. So they had organized themselves in a manner that they were able to locate 9 tankers which had actually delivered oil, and then they went out. So total 15 people have been arrested in this case, and the kingpin of this whole racket, John Tellis alias Antu, he is the man. John Tellis alias Antu, ANTOO. He has also been arrested along with various drivers, cleaners who were involved in it, and a very peculiar modus operandi which has come. You see, the criminals who commit crime, they devise their own innovative method to cover up what has been done. In this case, since the tanker has left with a full capacity from the warehouse with a particular weight, it had to show the same weight at the point of delivery. So the point of origin weight and the point of delivery point has to be similar. So to cover up that loss of the oil which they have actually sold, they would fill up containers with waters, keep it inside the same container, and the weight of the whole container along with the vehicle used to be taken at the point of delivery. So if they have delivered say 20-30 liter out of that, so it will be compensated through the weight of that container of the water. I mean, this was one of a very peculiar modus operandi which they have disclosed. And Antu used to be the retail seller. You know, he used to receive it from the wholesale tanker and he'll further sell it to the various industrial units. You see, our investigation team is in the process of developing more details regarding this, who are the people, how they used to deliver, and as of now the preliminary investigation has revealed that every driver, they used to get 2,000 to 5,000. It used to vary on the amount of oil which used to be taken out from their tanker.